Hello guys, quick analysis of this or post movement analysis. Apologies for all the lines on here, but I've been watching it on and off. There's an ascending trend line drawn on the line chart. If you remember from the first video, if you watched it, the one prior to this, we had a breakout level, an H4 breakout level here, the high, and the low drawn on the H4 candle prior to me doing the analysis. And I said I'd trade long if we got the signal to go long. Well, I wasn't about to take the trade, so unfortunately there was no trade. And then I was out busy with animals and such like when this reversed to the downside. But I did say that I'd want to see the low of the H4 retested again. Sorry, let's put the candles on there. So there was a net about 12 pips up to that H4 high there. Notice how it touched it behind that stuff to the pip there. And so there was definitely a trade off of that old resistance acting as new support with the M15 RSI bust, pullback, break and close trigger. And there's the descending trend line there, and then it started to reverse down. Notice we didn't get a break and close, we had a pullback there, or a bust, break and close should I say, and then the trigger, the proper trigger through the 20 level momentum, which I like to see, especially in this sort of thing. 3 candle reversal. So if we put the crosshairs on there, that would have been the trigger candle. So closed through the H4, closed through the Asian low. We had the first test of the H4 going on over here, as I said before. Then this deep pullback long, could have been scalped for 11 or 12 pips, as I say. And then the 3 candle reversal to the downside here. Slight pullback, but the entry could have been at the open of that, or let's put it, say the hang on, let's double check that. Yeah, that was the right candle. Watching the lower time frames for the entry, for a tight entry, using M1, and to that weekly high there. As you can see, it did bounce and mess around on there. It's using it as resistance right now. Was 58, so 58 less 10 or 11 in this instance is about 40 odd pips to that move, and then the whole move was 132 less your 10 or whatever. So it's well worth, it's doable. The spread is a bit scary on this, and there is commission. This is a spread and commission account, ECN, but it's definitely workable. So something to watch, something to potentially open an account for. I will say this though, that some days you can sit and it's like watching paint dry. There was a Saturday 2 weeks ago when there was just nothing. I think it moved about 800 or 900 pips during the day, so it was just a complete waste of the day. So you do have to be careful. Perhaps there's a possibility, that's my dog rattling in the background, a possibility of setting orders, trading it that way. So but that needs a little bit of thought put into it. But long possibility was good, short possibility was extra good. So there you go guys, that's the update. Thanks for watching, have a good weekend. Apologies, my filming software does sometimes do this.